the city moves slow enough for me, so I'm gonna leave now, and I ain't showing no ones. And I know that mama said love will always lead you home, but I've been following this lonely road way too long. So won't you pray for me tonight? I've been heading down a dark cold road. I've been dreaming of a porch swing with some lights, hoping I can find myself back home. Now I'm breaking horses out in Tishomingo, and every